Let's talk about KitchenCraft stainless steel measuring cups 4-piece set. Say goodbye to conversion charts and open up a world of new recipes with these time-saving American-style cup measures. Made of lightweight, polished stainless steel, the cups won't tarnish, melt, chip or carry strong odors like garlic into other recipes. The cups come on a detachable, hangable ring, and nest together for easy storage. They have flat bases too, so they won't tip over. Includes 4 cups, ranging from 60 ml cup to 250 ml 1 cup. Each is engraved to show the size, and the largest has measuring lines. This set is a smart, everyday essential for cooking and baking. It's easy to clean, dishwasher safe, and has a 12-month guarantee. I don't use cup measures very often fortunately, or I would replace these with something better finished and less tinny. They are a bit rough around the edges and not well finished. They will do, but I'm not impressed. These save me so much time, although it would probably be easier if America could just change to a sensible weight-based system.